This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by assembling the essentials: copper blocks, an amethyst shard, lightning rod, and any redstone preview tools. Place the copper base in a cleared 5x5 area so you have room to rotate and inspect. Once the base is stable, stack subsequent copper layers while leaving the center point free for the shard head. This lets you align the preview mechanics. Make sure to secure lighting and prevent mob interference so the preview behaves predictably when you trigger the sequence. You now assemble the full profile. Stack copper to the intended final height while keeping the top center slot for the amethyst shard. Insert the shard carefully so its orientation is centered. This matters because the preview relies on raycasting from that point. Place a lightning rod or redstone trigger at the planned offset to simulate activation. Once connected, activate the trigger. Watch the shard and copper surfaces animate. This step reveals oxidation and movement behavior before you commit to final construction. You finish by confirming the animated preview matches the expected Copper Golem appearance and motion. Adjust any misaligned blocks now so the final build is exact. Once satisfied, remove temporary redstone triggers and install permanent lightning rods or decorative elements. If the preview fails to run or visuals are wrong, first check power and redstone connections, then verify the amethyst shard placement and clear any obstructions that block line of sight. One troubleshooting tip: reseat the shard and retest. Misalignment is the most common issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.